Welcome to haslipcycleworks. And are you guys looking for gift ideas for your gearhead friends or fabricator friends? I think I've got something for you. So I was with my wife looking in, Christmas stores, because it is that time of year, and I came across this. Now this is made out of plastic, but it looked pretty sweet. So I was wondering if I could recreate it out of steel. So my thought process is this. Clearly it's a bunch of wrenches and a screwdriver, I think like a hammer or something. Why couldn't I take real wrenches and make my own? Like a legit steel fabricated TIG welded Christmas decoration. Way better than some socks or pairs of underwear, right? So what we're going to try to do today is I'm going to take the all elusive and mythical, magical 10mm socket. And if you're a gearhead or you spend any time in the garage, you know what I'm talking about. This thing goes missing like Casper the Friendly Ghost. So we're going to pin one down. And then I have an assortment of 10 and 12mm wrenches, combination wrenches. That way if we decide that we want to cut one of these in half, we got some variety. Now we're going to kind of go for a snowflake kind of looking ornament, but use your imagination. It doesn't have to be wrenches. I mean, you could just stack a bunch of nuts or washers together and make your own steel or stainless or even aluminum decoration. So I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to start arranging this stuff on the table, see how we like it, and if it's good, it's going to tack it up. Oh, and the best part, when I get done with this, if one of you guys wants this, we'll do a giveaway for it. Just comment down below, I want that, and I'll put a cutoff date in the description, and hopefully we can get this to you before Christmas. So after cutting the wrenches and kind of beveling the edges a little bit so they fit a little more snug around the socket, I think this is what we're going to go for. I think it looks pretty cool. And with the fire up, the Everlast TIG, and your boy left the bottle open again. It'll be a couple days for me, just an instant for you guys. Gotta swap the bottle out, and we'll get right back to it. Pretty happy with that. I'm gonna run my bead on the front side. Maybe get some of that cool color change. Well, there it is. The 10 and 12mm wrench and socket snowflake. So hopefully that gives you an idea, or maybe a few, that you can use to make some gifts that you can't really buy anywhere for some of your fabricator and welder friends, and showcase your skills, you know, put that on top of your tree, hang it up in your office. You do this with anything. We did it with wrenches in a socket. There's nothing keeping you from doing it with screwdrivers or hammers. I mean, your imagination is your only limit here. So pretty basic, just a couple tools. We cut, we ground them down, we tacked them, and then ran a full bead on them, and there we go. Someone's gonna get this hopefully by Christmas. If you wanna win this, just comment below. I want this. And the cutoff date, I'll put in the comments or in the video description. I'll throw a couple of the haslipcycleworks cards in it and a couple of the stickers. And yeah, so from me to you guys, Merry Christmas. And until next time, get up, get out there and do it.